The English Renaissance is considered to have started in 1485, when the victory at the Battle of Bosworth ended the War of the Roses and gave way to the beginning of the Tudor dynasty's reign. In 1509, Henry VIII becomes King of England and years later head of the Church of England after his divorce from his first wife, Catherine of Aragon. In 1516, Thomas More publishes Utopia in Latin, which is then published and printed in English in 1551, while Martin Luther had translated the Bible into German in 1522. This leads to the translation in English of the authorized version of the Bible in 1611, also known as the King James Version, because it was James I who promoted it. At the beginning of the 16th century, English started to acquire its modern form, referred to as Modern English. The Great Vowel Shift, which changed the pronunciation of long vowels in Middle English, caused major change in the English language and is one of the reasons why there are so many peculiarities in English spelling. Another is the use of silent letters in words, which is often due to the spelling of the corresponding Latin words. Until and during the 17th century, a lot of importance was given to finding a standardized spelling system. The increased amount of popular education in grammar schools all over the country and the universities of Oxford and Cambridge, the printing press, and increased means of communication helped stabilize the language, and the introduction of the printing machines meant that the same book could be read by people all over England. The Elizabethan era introduced the theatre and plays about kings and queens to help celebrate them through popular entertainment that was seen by nobles and peasants alike in the playhouses. The Globe Theatre was Shakespeare's company's playhouse, where he wrote and acted in plays. He wrote many histories, comedies, and tragedies. Many of the most common phrases and expressions we use in English today, like, "all that glitters is not gold," or "it vanished into thin air," came from Shakespeare's works.